Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we are going to review the Workday Financial Management. So the very first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to type out www.workday.com. And then you also have to consider that Workday is available to some countries. And then there are some countries that this Workday Financial Management is not available. Okay, so if you want to contact the sales, you just have to provide your details so you'd be able to get this financial management tool. So here we're just going to focus on their products. We have the AI, HR, finance, planning, legal, industry operations, and platform. So starting off with the AI, as you can see, we have agentic AI agents and responsive AI. So we're going to start with the first one. So the agentic AI is completely transforming the workforce. So with a powerful system of record that brings all your agents, even those from third parties, into one place. So here they have the agentic AI. So the task-based agents help automate single repetitive tasks, rule-based agents. So that's where even more transformation happens. These agents understand your goals, create plans to achieve them, and work together to get the job done. Here, all your agents all together. So here, Workday Agent System of Record, powered by Workday Illuminate, is the one-stop shop for managing, building, deploying, orchestrating, and measuring all your agents' full visibility. So centralize operations, streamline onboarding, keep costs under control, deploy with confidence, get total visibility, and orchestrate flawlessly. Next one, let's go back to the products. So we also have the agents and responsible AI. So let's go to the responsible AI. So right here, innovate with integrity. So use AI to inspire a brighter workday without compromising other responsibility. Okay, so responsible AI is the way forward. So responsible AI is not just the right thing to do, it's a smart thing to do. So to Illuminate, you get the best both worlds. So user friendly and user trusted, better data, better decision making, always ready so you're never behind, risk mitigation for peace of mind. Next one, let's go back to the products. Okay, we have the HR. So starting off with the human capital management. So you click on the human capital management right here, empower high performing teams. So meet Workday Human Capital Management or HCM, a smart flexible suite for HR solutions designed to work better together, powered by the Workday Illuminate. We also have a demo video right here, so you just have to click on the button. Next, let's go back to the products. Okay, so here, let's go back to the HR section. So they also have the human resource management, employee experience, employee voice, workforce management. So here on the workforce management, supercharge your day-to-day people operations, streamline scheduling, time tracking, absent management, and more, all in one smart solution. Okay, so you'd be able to see that right here. So what sets us apart? Innovations that pave the way for your people. Okay, next let's go back to the products, and now let's proceed to the finance. So we have here financial management, spend management, and financial planning. So here for the financial management, accelerate finance forward and stay a step ahead, real-time insights for better decision making, streamline automation, and the adaptability to capitalize on new opportunities. The result, enduring value accelerated to the next gen AI. Now we have the spend management. For the spend management, increase visibility, improve efficiency, mitigate supplier risk, and strengthen a relationship throughout source to pay process. It's all possible with Workday Spend Management. So simplify the way you work. Okay, so now let's go back to the products. Now we have the financial planning as well. Okay, So, when your organization collaborates seamlessly, plan continuously, adapts quickly, and leverages our next gen AI work, they illuminate your business can only go in one direction forward. Next is the planning. So, let me just click on this one again. So, we have financial planning, close and consolidation, workforce planning, and operational planning. So, starting off with the financial planning. So, when your organization collaborates seamlessly, plans continuously, adapts quickly, and leverages our next gen AI Workday Illuminate, your business can only go in one direction forward. Okay, so go ahead and get head started to make better decision with Workday Illuminate. So collaborate with ease, mitigate your risk, seize opportunities, and perform at scale in real time. Now let's go back to the products. So here we have the workforce planning as well. Okay, so with Workday Adaptive Planning, bring HR, finance, and operation together in one powerful platform to create a workforce plan that keep your business moving in the right direction, which is forward. So plan with confidence every step of the way. Model your workforce dynamics, align your workforce plans with business goals, and keep a pulse on your talent needs. Okay, next one is we have the legal, so contract intelligence and contract lifecycle management. So we have the contract intelligence right here. Stop reading contracts and start driving outcomes. So Workday Contract Intelligence, powered by Visort AI, gives you total visibility into the agreements that fuel your organization. Our AI agent enables you to spend less reading contracts and more time moving business forward. Okay, so here, let's go back to the product section. So we have the contract lifecycle management as well. Okay, so contract faster and more reliably. Workday Contract Lifecycle Management, powered by Investor AI, enables total visibility and efficiency at every step of the contract process. So, with our agent, your business can increase agility, drive growth, and stay competitive. Okay, so AI is very relevant, especially as of the moment. Okay, so we have the industry operations as well. So professional services automation, supply chain management for healthcare, and student management. So here you can manage your people, projects, and profits in one place. So discover how Workday Professional Services Automation can optimize project management and deliver successful project outcomes. So manage the full project life cycle, so from staffing and project management to billing and financial management. Workday Professional Services Automation enables you to support every part of your client facing project. So, with the upcoming release Workday services, you'll be able to create accurate and timely services codes to complete the opportunity to cash process. So basically, the Workday Financial Management is a cloud-based system that provides organizations with real-time visibility into financial performance, streamlines accounting processes, and ensures compliance. It unifies core financial functions like accounting, procurement, projects, expenses, and revenue management in a single system. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.